Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you a step by step how to export your Cash App tax report in CSV format. Perfect for keeping records for uploading the tax software. Let's get started. At first, open your browser and go to your Cash App. Next, log into your account using your phone or email and the verification code. Once you logged in, click on the statements in the upper right corner of your page. Now select Export CSV. This will instantly download your tax report file in CSV format. Save the file somewhere safe, like on your computer or in your cloud storage. Optional if you use tax software such as Pentel, you can upload the CSV to automatically calculate your taxes. That's for today. If you found this tutorial guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.